Hello everyone, welcome back to O1 Code channel. In the series of making a product card, I'm going to add more details in the header. Okay, let's do this. In here, I need to add a shopping basket like this photo, and I'm going to add a logo, changing this font to a good font, and doing something like this. Okay, I'm going to start. At first, I'm going to start adding that basket. I'm going to use image src of current folder, image folders. I have downloaded a photo.png photo, and I'm going to add it into the file like this. I'm going to add a style for it. I'm going to add a class of image dot image. And at first I need to declare the height and weight of 20 pixels and a weight of 30 or 20 pixels. It doesn't have any difference, it's too much small. I'm going to have 30 pixels. Okay, now it's good. And I'm going to add another span in here, the span with the class of number. I will add number 3 is. I'm going to style the num.mun and position to absolute, and background color of red. Then I'm going to add, it will look like this, and color of white. I'm going to add more padding in the top and the bottom. I need 2.5 pixels, and for right and the left I need 7 pixels. It will be good enough. Okay, I'm going to make it round by border radius of 50%, and I'm going to have a look, and then a margin top of minus 20 pixel, sorry, minus 20 pixel. It's okay right now, it's too much, and I'm going to declare 10. My keyboard, what happened to you? 10 pixels. Okay, now it seems to be good. I'm going to add more pixels in here, about 8 pixels. It will be good enough. I think now it's right, it's rounded. Okay, margin top of minus 10 pixel and margin left of minus 10 pixel. It will be okay. Now I need to add a good font family like I like this one. Okay, it's good. And change the font size of all the body to font size 80 pixel. I think it will be okay. Okay, it's good. It's enough for this video. Hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to add more details in the next video. Stay tuned and follow me to the next video.